now they have given us a good facility. You've got a very good facility. Magic, it's a good facility. So we only remain by showing a good what? Gesture. Moto wetu si utumishi kwa wote. Let's serve them positively, happily, humanly. Alright? Let's be human when we are serving these people. Gone are the days that we are as a force. So let's be a service that is going to be respected, a service that is going to speak a lot about us. And there is no other people who will do that except me. Alright? You have 100% of my support. I really want to appreciate you. For those who will not make it to Kisii Stadium again, you remember nilikuwa hapa Christmas time nikasema muende Christmas, alafu January, February tufanye Christmas yetu, si ni kweli? And I want to thank all of you. You did very well, especially in terms of managing the crimes and the traffic during the Christmas time. Mimi kama DIG wenu, I am so impressed and happy about what you did in December and January. Umeelewana? And for all of us, it's back time to work. We are heading to a very political time. Just be passionate and do the right thing according to the law. Umeelewana? Always stay around and within the law and within the structures of the National Police Staff, the Standard Operation Procedures.